Hello and welcome to Stone Cold Kelly. Right there he is floating in the water, just looking for his prey. And that's scary, my friends, yeah. Hey, first and foremost, make sure you have your notebook out and you're ready to take some good old notes. And here we go. Stone Cold Kelly is always hungry. He caught a bird that weighed 5/9 of a pound. That's not very nice. No wonder they call him Stone Cold Kelly. All right, anyway, and he ate 2/3 of it. All right, well, this is a multiplication problem because you've got 5/9 of a pound and he ate 2/3 of it. Of means times, right? So, and then you're going to answer Stone Cold Kelly ate blank of a pound, right? And that's of the bird, right? All right, so anyway, let's go ahead and get started here. We'll do the algorithm first. So I'm going to write 5/9 and I'm going to multiply that by 2/3. Now with multiplying fractions, super simple. You simply multiply the numerators and you multiply the denominators. So let's go ahead and do that right now. 5 times 2 is going to give you 10, right? Drop that 10. And then you got 9 times 3, which is going to give you 27. So drop the 27 and bam, right there is your answer, my friend. Your answer, 10/27. Love it. Let's go ahead and plug that in up here and make it nice and big so I can write 10/27 right in there. And then we'll box it because I like it, right? All right, bam. So the answer is Stone Cold Kelly ate 10/27 of a pound, and that's actually of bird, right? Okay, super, not very nice, but that's the deal. Okay, so now I always tell my students you should make a mathematical model anytime you multiply fractions. So let's go ahead and do that. And the reason you do that is because it will really help you understand what's actually happening when you're multiplying these two fractions. So let's go ahead and do it right now. I want to make 5/9. So I'm going to start off by making 9 parts here, right? 9 parts means 8 lines. So let's go ahead and do 8 lines. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 lines, right? And that gives me 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 parts. Perfect. Now I get 5 out of those 9. So I'm going to color in 5 of the 9 parts. And we'll start here and go 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Come straight across. And this is a little tricky. I got to center that. And bam, there we have it. Let me just move this up a teeny bit. Okay. And this is a little bit off, but that's only because I'm bad at drawing lines. Let me just fill that in. Super. So now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 out of 6, 7, 8, and 9. Perfect. I've got this. Now I need to build this fraction going up and down, right? So 3 parts means 2 lines. So I'm going to draw 2 lines going up and down. 1 and 2. And as you see, that's giving me 1, 2, and 3 parts, right? Now I get 2 out of those 3, right? So let's go ahead and just circle 2 of the 3 parts. And let's grab that and circle right around there. And bam, now I get whatever is in the circle, right? Well, the white is not even there, so I only am going to count the yellow, right? Because that's what's filled in. So let's go ahead and just start counting that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 out of 1, 2, 3 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 3 times 9 is 27. So I get 10 out of the 27 parts. And lo and behold, look, my mathematical model agrees with my algorithm. And that is always super, super cool, my friends. So, this is what I want you to do right now because to form a deeper understanding of fractions, super important to make your mathematical model. So I'd like you to back the video up all the way to the beginning of the algorithm and then play a little pause and copy, play a little pause and copy, play a little pause and copy until you've copied the entire algorithm and the mathematical model because that is the fastest way to learn, my friends. Until next time, I hope you have a fantastic day. I'll see you soon.